And now I have our final three guests. If we could have Caroline Rose, Patty Kenyon, and Jerry Manick come join me on stage. Oh, there you are. You guys are fast. Okay. We have a special message. This will be the absolute end of the show. I hope you had a wonderful time. Thank you for coming. Your turn.
Thank you. We'd like to read a short letter to you. January 24th, 2014, to Macintosh, care of Apple Incorporated, 1 Infinity Loop, Cupertino, California, 95014.
Dear Mac, today you are celebrating your 30th birthday. Here are some things we wanted you to know as you enter your 4th decade.
Your early family really loved you. They had lots of fun being pirates and working very hard together before you were born.
You were a cute, chubby little baby, but have grown up to be as slender as a number 2 pencil with the power of an NFL middle linebacker.
You were writing and drawing sketches at a very early age. Who would have guessed that you would now be making movies all by yourself and sharing them with people around the world?
Your list of accomplishments is truly astounding. We are very, very proud of all the tasks you have mastered, many more than we'd ever imagined.
Never forget that your parents wanted you to always be respectful of the individuality of your users, and we hope that you will continue to help them communicate their uniqueness to each other.
Do not let vanity and compliments about your beauty stop you from always remembering your core purpose of fostering innovation and creativity in others.
Finally, don't forget to keep your sense of humor. True artists not only ship, they laugh. Don't forget about the little Mac man that used to run across the desktop every once in a while.
So, have an insanely great happy birthday. We all wish you continued success in your next 30 years, helping pilot the mother ship. Sincerely yours, members of the 1984 Macintosh development team. Good night. Thank you for coming.